This video is all about cell references, the secret behind formulas in Excel. First, let's talk about cell reference. Think of them as coordinates for your data. Each cell in Excel has a unique address, and that address is the cell reference. In part 1, I'll cover relative references in Excel. Let's say you want to find out the total sales of each product in the total column under column E. For this, you have to multiply the unit price with the unit sold. Go to cell E5 and type equal to C5 into D5. Press enter. And this is the total sales for the product TV. To get the total for the remaining products, simply use the autofill feature of Excel. Bring the mouse to the bottom right corner of cell E5. A plus-shaped icon appears. This is the fill handle tool. You can drag this tool or double-click on it to fill the cells with data or formulas. Let's check the results. Click on cell E6 and inspect the formula. Look, both cell references are increased by 1. C5 becomes C6 and D5 becomes D6, and so on. The formula adjusts automatically relative to its original position. Hence, it's called relative reference. Time for a quick pop quiz. Imagine you have a formula in cell G5 that says equal to D5 into 2. If you drag this formula to cell G7, what will the new formula look like? Drop your answer in the comments below.